Barber? It's all thanks to Mr. Bread.
No lo olviden. La seguridad del televerso está en sus manos.
You better let that comet go. Now!
Okay, boys, fire!
Yes, sir!
Hey, donkey, monkey, I'm gonna teach you a lesson for sure.
They did it, Zinny. They did it.